Hello friends, welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will discuss how to use add inject mocks annotation in Mockito, right? So the use of add inject mocks annotation to inject mock fields into the tested object automatically. So here I have already created a project, and using this project I'll try to make you understand. So first of all, let me explain you. I have a resource in SRC main Java. Class is called word dictionary. Yeah, and this guy is using a words map as a map, and I have a constructor there. I have instantiated this map, right? Now I have add as well as get meaning. So add, where we can pass the word and corresponding meaning, so that this will add into this words map. And finally, if someone wants to get the meaning of that word, then client has to call get meaning, pass that word, and get the meaning of that word from this map. Pretty simple example. I have written genuine test cases uh, uh, using Mockito, right? So here I have mocked. So if you look into this class has a dependency on words map. That is nothing but a map, and that's the reason I have mocked a map, right, using add mock annotation. Make sure that you have enable annotation in Mockito by annotating your class at extends with, as this will not be mocked and you'll get the null pointer exception, right? Of course, these two annotation will be enabled once you annotate your class with at extend with, right? Now here you can see I have used inject mocks, but I'm not initializing this class, right? I'm not instantiating this class. So just annotating as in inject mocks before your implementation, right? Class should be enough, right? And this class will be automatically instantiated, or a mock object will be created. Mock object basically created by JUnit. If you are annotating basically any reference which represents implementation, not an interface, with at inject mocks, then this will be automatically mock object will be created. And here what we are doing, here I'm calling when method. When I'm telling to the Mockito, when someone basically calling word map dot get with awesome word, right, then return very good to that call. And here just I'm using assert equals, and here expected result I'm passing very good. And in this word dictionary, right, which is there is a method is called get meaning, right, and from inside that I'm calling word map dot get by passing one string, right? And these things already I have basically mocked. If you look into, already I have mocked these things, right? If these things will be called, then this will is going to return very good. So once you make this call, this is going to return very good. So expected and actual result will be matched and test case will be passed. Let me show you. And here is the, okay, another class ran. Sorry guys, I have to run this class. So go to the run, and here I need to change browse, and my class name is Mockito inject mocks. This is the my class, right? And my test method injecting mocks apply, and here we get the result as passed, right? Now one thing you have to note guys, add mock annotation, either you can use before any interface or class, doesn't matter, right? You'll get the mock object. But when we use add inject mocks, then here has to be implementation, right? Of course you can use interface type as well, but at the time you have to instantiate this reference explicitly. Let me show you. So as of now this test case is working perfectly fine. Now I go to this class, I'm going to refactor this class. Just select all the source code and go to the refactor and extract interface and move these two in interface, these two methods, right? Here interface I'm going to name as dictionary, all right? So now I have refactored this code. Now my this class implements this dictionary interface, right? And it is provided implementation of both the method. Now if I go to the test class, so as we have refactored, so now here word dictionary is no anymore, right? So here you can see I represents its interface. It is interface type refactor. Now same test case if I run, then this is going to be fail. Yeah, this is going to be fail. And here you can see the go through the error. It is complaining that inject mock field name word dictionary cause the type dictionary is an interface. You haven't provided the instance at the field declaration, so I try to construct the instance. So basically here it is trying to show you and it is basically giving us the hint at inject mock you have to initialize something like this, right? Service equal to new service, something like that, right? So here now as this reference represents an interface, so now Mockito is not able to create a mock object for this, right? And here what you have to do, you have to initialize this reference yourself. So I'd say my word dictionary, right? I have initialized myself. Okay, and now after doing this should run perfectly fine. Now you can see. So here you can I think you can keep in mind that when this reference is a implementation itself, then you don't need to instantiate yourself. Even though if you instantiate, that will work, but you don't need to basically instantiate when you annotate this reference as at inject mocks. But if this reference represent interface, then you have to uh, initialize its implementation assigned to this reference, then only inject mocks is going to work, right? So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.